everybody. We're on our way to see Janet Jackson at the Prudential Center. We are excited. The lighting is bad, so we may have to vlog again when we get in the better lighting. But we are so excited.
Yay, Janet!
Hey, okay, we finally made it in. Look at all the t-shirts and the souvenirs. Say hi, Kelly. Say hi, Miss Debbie. Hey, we're finally at the Janet concert, and look at all the merchandise. OMG, I am so excited. This is my first Janet Jackson concert. I've met her twice in person before, but I have never gone to a concert, so you guys know I'm just like so excited. Can't wait till we get in there. She already got her merchandise, so let me go look at the stuff. I know I'm speaking a mile a minute. I'm just so excited. I'm gonna see what I want to buy, and we'll get back to you when you're inside. Okay, bye. Hey, we're in the concert area, and look, we're super early, so that's why we're able to. And look at Miss Debbie and Kelly. Miss Debbie's viewing her selfies, and there goes Kelly. Say hi. We're excited. Janet.